guys, Mike here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, feel free to subscribe to see more truck and DIY videos. Anyways, this video is I went to the Ford dealership local to me, and my window, the problem was my window when I would do auto up would go almost to the top and then bounce down because the truck has a built-in safety mechanism. If it thinks something's in there, it doesn't want to crush your hand or a kid or something. So here at the dealership, the service tech shows me the full how to reset it yourself in the future. So quick video, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Alright, let's check it out.
So if the windows ever give you any trouble,
Yep.
so what you do is, we'll start from the up position, just make sure they're up. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to hold the button down until it's all the way down.
Yeah.
Release, then hold again down.
Okay, like extra.
And then pull up and hold.
Till it's all the way.
Release, pull back up,
Okay.
and then
And it should be good.
that's it.
Okay.